Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Canva for eye-catching dropshipping graphics, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Canva by visiting the website or launching the app. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button. Choose a format suitable for your dropshipping graphics, such as Instagram posts or product listings. Explore the available templates that fit your niche. Select a template that resonates with your brand style. Customize the template by clicking on text elements to edit the message. Adjust fonts and sizes to ensure clarity and readability. Change the color scheme to reflect your brand identity. Add images by clicking on the Photos section in the left sidebar. Search for relevant images that enhance your product presentation. Drag and drop images into your design. Use background removal tools if necessary for a clean look. Incorporate design elements like icons or shapes to add visual interest. Position elements thoughtfully to create a balanced layout. Preview your design to see how it looks overall. Make any final adjustments to ensure everything looks polished. Once satisfied, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your desired file format, such as PNG or JPEG. Click the Download button to save it to your device. Go to your dropshipping platform and upload the new graphics. Ensure the graphics fit the required dimensions for optimal presentation. Repeat the process for any additional graphics you need. Evaluate the performance of your graphics over time. Adjust your designs based on customer feedback and engagement. Stay updated with design trends to keep your visuals fresh. With these steps, you'll create eye-catching graphics that attract customers to your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.